Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial success? In today's video, we'll reveal 8 essential steps to follow when you receive your hard-earned pay. Warren Buffett's ultimate payday checklist for 2023 is your guide to making the most of your earnings. Don't miss out on this valuable advice. 1. Pay yourself first. When it comes to managing your finances, one of the most critical steps is paying yourself first. This concept, often emphasized by financial experts like Warren Buffett, involves prioritizing your savings and investments before addressing other expenses. It's a fundamental principle that can significantly impact your long-term financial well-being. To put it simply, before you start thinking about paying your bills, rent, groceries, or other monthly expenditures, allocate a portion of your paycheck to your savings or investment accounts. This practice isn't just about securing your financial future, it's also an act of self-care. By making yourself a financial priority, you acknowledge the importance of building a stable financial foundation. Warren Buffett's advice to save first and spend later is a game changer. Instead of panicking about immediate financial obligations when your paycheck arrives, allocate a fixed amount to your savings as if it were a non-negotiable expense, much like your rent or electricity bill. This simple step secures your financial future while affirming your commitment to self-care because you deserve financial security and peace of mind. 2. Build an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable and unexpected expenses can come out of nowhere. That's why building an emergency fund is like having a financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws you a curveball. While saving money might seem like a daunting task, even small contributions can make a significant difference over time. Consider automating your savings by setting up direct debits to your emergency fund. This way, you won't even have to think about it, and your safety net will quietly grow. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you're financially secure is far more valuable than any momentary pleasure from splurging your hard-earned cash. Life has a knack for throwing curveballs, and the best way to protect yourself from financial distress is by squirreling away a portion of your income for emergencies. Think of it as your secret stash of cash, always ready to save the day when trouble knocks. Be your own financial superhero by creating this safety net. It not only helps you handle unexpected expenses without falling into debt, but also relieves the stress that such situations bring. The security of knowing you're financially prepared is a priceless gift to your future self. So, go ahead, be the superhero of your own finances, and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve by establishing and consistently growing your emergency fund. 3. Review and adjust your budget. Every payday brings the opportunity to review and fine-tune your budget. Rather than immediately going on a spending spree, take a moment to examine your financial plan. Are there areas where you can tighten up and save some cash? Consider whether you can skip that daily latte or reduce the number of streaming services you subscribe to. Every little adjustment adds up over time. Allocating some of your hard-earned money towards savings or investments can be a smart move for your future financial security. Just like a fancy sports car, your budget should be regularly fine-tuned to keep it running smoothly. By being mindful of your spending and periodically adjusting your budget, you'll be on the road to financial success in no time. 4. Avoid unnecessary debt and invest wisely. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom extends to avoiding unnecessary debt, particularly high-interest credit card debt. Paying 18% interest on borrowed money may seem unnecessary when there are alternative options available. Therefore, it's advisable to focus on building savings and allocating a portion of your income towards wise investments instead. By steering clear of unnecessary debt, you free up more funds that can be used for long-term financial growth. One promising investment option to consider is investing in index funds, which provide diversification and aim to mirror the performance of a specific market index. Exploring other investment vehicles, such as stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business, can also offer intriguing opportunities. However, it's vital to conduct thorough research and understand the potential risks associated with each investment option before committing your hard-earned money. When approached correctly, investing can be a powerful tool in growing your wealth and achieving financial independence. Allow your money to work for you by heeding the advice of Warren Buffett. A financially secure future often involves saving, investing, and making your money grow, rather than accumulating unnecessary debt that burdens your finances. By following this principle, you can take meaningful steps towards securing your financial future. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. 5. Set financial goals. money talks, and setting clear financial goals is a key component on your journey to financial success. Your aspirations, whether they involve owning a house, starting a business, paying off student loans, or any other financial dream, should be laid out with a plan. Specific targets help you stay motivated and focused. They enable you to prioritize your spending and make informed choices that align with your aspirations. This way, you know exactly what you're working toward, which keeps you committed and determined. Financial goals are more than just wishful thinking. They're about taking control of your future and making purposeful decisions with your money. Whether your goals are short-term or long-term, having them in place ensures that your financial resources are being used wisely. Reaching your goals becomes a victory lap each time, providing a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. Take some time to reflect on your financial dreams, whether it's a comfortable retirement, a dream vacation, or debt-free living. Then, set those goals and create a plan to achieve them. Your future self will thank you for your dedication to financial success. 6. Pay off high-interest debt. Dealing with high-interest debt can be a financial burden that holds you back from achieving your goals. One effective strategy to tackle this issue is to create a budget and allocate a specific amount towards debt repayment each month. This not only helps you stay organized, but also prevents you from spending frivolously, which can hinder your progress. Being intentional and disciplined with your spending habits is essential because every dollar saved can be put towards reducing your debt burden. Consider making extra payments whenever possible, regardless of the schedule. These extra payments can significantly reduce the principal balance and the interest charged on your outstanding debt. Another option to expedite debt repayment is debt consolidation. This involves combining multiple debts into a single loan, usually with a lower interest rate. It simplifies your repayment process as you'll have just one monthly payment to manage instead of multiple ones. However, thorough research and comparisons of consolidation offers are necessary to ensure you're making a sound financial decision. Negotiating with your creditors for lower interest rates or more favorable repayment terms is also worth considering. Many creditors are willing to work with you if you show sincerity and commitment to resolving your debts. Paying off high-interest debt requires patience and persistence, and it may not happen overnight. With a solid plan and the willingness to make sacrifices, you can gradually eliminate your high-interest debt and regain control over your financial future. If you ever feel overwhelmed or unsure, don't hesitate to seek guidance from financial advisors or experts to help you navigate the journey to debt freedom. 7. Invest in self-improvement. Investing in yourself is one of the best uses of your money. Think about how you can further your education, improve your skills, or pursue hobbies that bring you joy. Whether it's taking courses, attending seminars, or buying books, investing in self-improvement increases your knowledge and opens doors to new opportunities. This investment isn't just about professional growth, it's also about nurturing your overall well-being. Prioritizing self-care and dedicating time to activities that bring you joy is essential. Don't hesitate to explore new interests or spend time on hobbies you're passionate about. Engaging in activities that enrich your life not only enhances your mental and emotional well-being, but also helps you find fulfillment and a sense of purpose. Your potential is limitless, and by continuously learning and challenging yourself, you can stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. So, make sure to carve out time for yourself and invest in activities that reflect your true passions. By doing so, you'll reap personal rewards and find fulfillment in your life. 8. Give back to others. When you receive your paycheck, don't forget to give back to others. Whether it's donating to a charity, volunteering your time, or supporting causes you're passionate about, giving back is not only about helping those in need, but also about finding a sense of fulfillment and gratitude in your own life. Generosity has a ripple effect that positively impacts both others and yourself. It's a reminder that we're all part of a broader community, and our actions can make a difference in the lives of others. So, as you celebrate your financial successes, remember to share your blessings with those less fortunate. Challenging yourself to give back is a meaningful way to contribute to the well-being of your community and the world at large. It not only enriches the lives of others, but also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment into your own life. By implementing these 8 game-changing steps, you can make every payday in 2023 a step toward financial freedom and security. Stay committed to your financial goals, and remember that financial well-being is not just about money. It's about nurturing your future, finding balance, and making a positive impact on the world. There you have it. 8 steps to take when you get paid. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.